Welcome back to Season 4 of our Motivational in Motion video series. Your eyes are going to help you get to where you want to be in life. That vision of your future, that vision of your best life, it just has to be visualized. And if you can dream it, if you can think about it, then you can start to have it. And at that point, everything is going to start to change for the better. So you're not going to just allow your life to come and go as the world sees fit for you. You get to draw your own life. You get to paint a picture of what you would like to have, what you would like to see, and you get to start to do the things that you want to be done. Don't be one of those people who allow their life to be for naught. Because within you, you have goals and dreams and ambitions that need to be fulfilled. So allow yourself to be daring and to be courageous, to travel and to push yourself past the limits of what the brain is going to allow each and every day. We are more than just what the day gives us. We can be so much more and we can do so much more, but yet many of us walk through life not giving 100%. In our eyes, we can either be a victim or a victor. And if we can learn how to give 100% each and every day, our mind is going to start to shift into that victorious type of mindset. So the way you view a situation, the way you view your mindset is going to tell you more than any motivational video. It's going to help you find clarity finally in your life. Because most of the time people are looking for that clarity, and it's like they have a veil over their eyes that is stopping them from seeing the light, from seeing their future, for seeing what is possible. Well, anything that you want to be possible is possible, so why not be daring and try to achieve those things that your eyes are telling you are possible? That even when we look inside our subconscious mind, not just our external eyes to see the external world, but our subconscious eyes, what is possible for us? What can be attained? And that's going to require us to realize that the life that we want and the life that we have all depends on us. And if we can see the vision for something better in our life and for a better future, then we can start to navigate through those obstacles of life and then find our most desired life on the other end of our vision toward our dreams.